My name is Chelsea Murray. I do work placement at Kira Beach Kempro and my supervisor is Laura Price. Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm just here because my daughter's got a cough. I'd like to get something for her cough.
Yeah? How old is she?
She's 11.
She's 11. What type of cough is it? It's like chesty or...?
No, it's dry.
It's
just
dry?
tickling, like she's got a tickle in there.
Does she have any other symptoms?
No.
Just the cough?
Yes.
Okay. Is she on any medication?
No.
Does she have any health conditions?
No.
No? Well, as she is only 11, I'll have to refer her to the pharmacist so she can recommend a product.
Okay, great, thanks.
So the pharmacist has recommended this product for your daughter. This is just like the dry cough relief. So just give her 2.5 to 5 ml every 3 to 4 hours when she needs it.
Okay, great. Yep, thanks. I'll take that. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm after something for a sore throat.
Is it for yourself?
Yes.
Do you have any other symptoms?
No, just a sore throat.
Sore throat?
Yeah.
How long have you had it for?
Just today.
Just today?
Yeah.
Are you on any other medication?
No.
Do you have any other health conditions?
No.
No? Well, you could take just the pharmacy action lozenges. That'll just help relieve your sore throat.
Okay, cool.
Just take, one every 2 to 3 hours.
Yeah, that's good. I'll take them.
Would you like the honey and lemon flavour or the orange?
I'll have the honey and
Honey and
lemon, I
lemon?
think. Yeah.
Okay. You could also have some warm water with honey and lemon.
Oh,
And
yeah.
that'll help relieve some of the pain.
Okay, I'll do that too. Thank you so much.
Okay, great.
All right, thanks.
Bye. Hi, how can I help you?
I'm looking for something for a flu.
Is it for yourself?
Yes, for me.
Do you have any other symptoms?
No, just a headache and a fever.
Okay. You on any medication?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any health conditions?
No.
Okay. Well, we have these cold and flu tablets. They're just the day and night 24 pack.
Yep.
So you just take 2 day tablets every 4 to 6 hours, and 2 night tablets just before bedtime.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. I'll take those.
Okay.
Thanks.
Is that all you needed?
Yes, thank you so much.
Hi. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm just here because I'm after something to treat a cough.
Is it for yourself?
Yes, it is.
So what type of symptoms do you have? Is it chesty? Is it a dry cough?
Yeah, it's a chesty cough and there's a lot of mucus.
A lot of mucus? Okay. Do you have any health conditions?
No.
Are you on any medication?
No, I'm not.
No. So I'd recommend this chesty cough liquid.
Yep.
It'll just help break down the mucus in your chest and it'll help clear your cough.
Oh, great.
So you just take 10 mils every 4 to 6 hours.
Oh, good. Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll take that.
Okay,
Thank you.
Great.